Ya ini.
Bloody good. And the sunglasses for kid. For a kid.
Later we go in and we come back later. Thank you.
Are you sure, man?
You can do this activity, feeding fish inside and the pool.
I have no idea.
Only if you like, yeah.
Yes, doctor. Hello.
Yeah, maybe some fish. Maybe some fish first. Do you think the fish are full?
I will get some.
Yeah. Depends of the small or big one. I think kids will be happy.
100.
Yeah, that's good.
100 for your daughter, for your son.
You got two
100.
already?
Yeah.
Got two. Yeah. You need to pay entrance fee there, yeah, inside. About how much? Let's ask check because it's been a long time. I never been here.
Oh.
A couple years ago, I think. So I don't know how much now. Yeah, turn right.
It's a popular spot.
Yes, popular spot in this area, east side.
Oh yeah.
Lots of people here hunting photo by feeding them, feeding fish inside. Ya, iya pay ticket entrance fee first. Ya.
We get you a ticket, Antoro?
Sorry?
Okay, your ticket.
No, I'm free. Only for you. You and kids.
2
family.
adults, 2 children. 8 and 5. Okay. Berapa, Pak? Berapa?
Tamu Australia. Tapi tamu Australia campuran ya.
Campuran apa?
Campuran apa dong? Prancis.
Oh. Pak Bo.
Please keep the ticket ya. You need to check ticket. Yeah. This is the cave. If you want to take picture from inside, from outside, no problem.
Yeah. We might just go look there.
Lots of the water palace ya.
Yeah.
If you hungry, you can straight in the restaurant. You can see the view from the top, if you like. Yeah. Yeah. So nice.
Thank you for driving us.
My pleasure. Look at that fish. Wow, so many fish. Look. Big one. It's good for our lunch. Oh, this big one.
You gonna get wet, Sassy?
Yeah. Be careful when you.
I trust them.
Yeah.
We live
Our house is next to a little river with lots of stones,
Oh.
and they jump across them.
Oh, they used to
Are
it.
they allowed to sit on this?
Oh no, not allowed. Not allowed. Yeah. Take picture can, but not sit down. No. So guys, you have to be careful if you come to Tirta Gangga. When you see a lot of statue like this, please not stand up on the statue because it could be a temple as well. So you have to ask your local guide or the staff here at every tourism destination.
Itu dibiarin sama dia. Banyak.
Yeah, when I was jumping between the platforms,
Yeah. If you need my help to take picture, you can let me know.
okay.
Yeah. Maybe here. Maybe here. Take picture here.
What kind of animal? Okay.
If you need my help to take picture, let me know.
Picture of us four.
Yeah,
Of course.
for memories if you
I
like.
need a picture of all of them.
Yeah, you choose the spot maybe here or maybe background there. That's what I told you that we have small food. If they want to one round to explore,
Small boat.
yeah, optional up to you.
We'll have a look and then we'll take a
Sure,
photo.
sure. Oh, so big.
Yeah, big.
Wow. So big.
Yeah, they get a lot of food.
Yes. That's why they are big. Huh?
Yeah. And all they want is more food.
Mm.
My son had emptied his bag of fish food in 2 minutes. That's just.
Now,
Something
yeah.
I thought it would be the other way around.
Yeah, so normally we explore this area one round, like that. The restaurant that I told you is there. So from the top there, you can drink only or food up to you. Optional, up to you.
Probably wouldn't mind.
No
I'll go
problem.
there and decide.
Yeah, no problem. No problem.
Can you try? Yeah. Just get some.
Oh. One round, 20,000. The boat, this one.
You don't need the boat.
Oh yeah, if optional, like I told you. Yeah. So one round like this.
I did the thing. I threw it in its.
No, no, come with daddy. No, daddy walking there. You want come or not? Udah, tinggalan. So guys, if you want to swim, this area here is the pool that you can swim. Do you interest to swim? Do you want interest? Huh? No, okay.
He's interested.
Optional.
Oh, okay.
If you like. This is the place.
What's the change room?
Yeah.
Might have a look around.
Hmm. No problem. Mhm.
Wonder how deep it is.
Yeah. Yeah.
Only if you want to.
Yeah, no problem.
Sorry. Do you want it? Or we let them
Yeah. Well,
Enjoy.
Thank you. Thank you. Say thank you though. And
that lovely lady gave it to you.
wow. Because that guy's beautiful. Mommy still shopping.
I don't think she would be.
Ya, you udah everything? Ya, oke. Yuk, sudah bayar semua ya? Ya. Pak.
Hey, you scare wouldn't fall the snake.
All good? Done?
Oh, good.
Photo with the snake. Look. You want? You want? Son? Yeah. You want hold it? But need to pay. Yeah.
You don't need to hold it.
Yeah.
Hey, kayo na. Okay.
Look camera.
Look, camera. Just wow.
That's as well.
You scared?
Yeah. That's as well.
Yeah. Yeah, it's scary. Yeah, it's okay. Ah. There is a hotel as well inside.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, homestay, like small hotel. Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
That is chips,
Yeah,
banana chips.
Thank you. If my kids like them, I would like
Yeah.
them. Nothing good.
Oh, mushroom now.
Yeah. Getting quieter.
Hmm.
Easy up for the day.
Yeah. I usually drive bigger bus like this.
You do? Yeah. You've got one
This
of them
one,
too?
not mine, but I cooperate with my friend, so
Yeah.
I rent from him.
Okay.
This is my only my one,
Yeah.
my car. I own the aircon first.
Oh, good idea.
Yeah, from that side, that.